Hi, welcome to Creative Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will try to explain about different parts of MS PowerPoint window. PowerPoint is a useful presentation application. It is one of the important applications in Microsoft package. People from all over the globe, from educational institutions to top research organizations, use this PowerPoint for presenting their information. It provides wide variety of options for presenting information in an attractive manner. That is the reason why it is most effective application for presenting information to people all over the globe. Let's see parts of Microsoft PowerPoint window. So the Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 will be visible like this. When we open Microsoft PowerPoint, it will look like this. So the first part is Quick Access Toolbar. On the top left, we will be seeing Quick Access Toolbar. The tools or options which are used regularly can be placed here. Generally, the options like generally the options like redo, undo, print, save. These type of options will be present in Quick Access Toolbar. If you want to add more options to this, you can also add more commands by just clicking on drop down list, and by clicking more commands, you can add more and more commands into Quick Access Toolbar. Next, we have title bar. The top part where name of the document is displayed is called title bar. Then we have ribbon. Each and every tab in Microsoft PowerPoint will have different options. Those options will be visible below the tab bar. The area where options of different tabs are visible. At each time, only one tab options will be visible. The area where options of tab is displayed, that area is called ribbon. Okay. Now coming to the next one, we have control buttons on the top right. They are minimize, maximize, close. These are useful for adjustment of window and closing the window. We call them as control buttons. And on the left hand side, we have slide pane, where the slides will be visible in small size for selection purpose, for sorting the slides to the top or downside, or for copying or moving the slides. The slide pane will be very much useful. Next, we have placeholders, where different information, different objects, images, graphs will be placed. They are called as placeholders. Okay. Coming to the next one, we have the total area where the information will be visible during presentation. That is called slide. Next, we have on the downside. What we have on the downside? We have status bar. Okay. Number of slide, number, language, all the accessibility related information, all of that will be visible on the downside in status bar. Next, we have different types of views on the downside, like normal, and we also have different options like slide sorter, reading layout. There will be different views related to slides. They will be visible on the downside. They will be visible on the downside. And beside that, we have zoom option, where we can adjust the size of view, either larger or smaller in size. Thank you. These are the different parts we have in MS PowerPoint window.